Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Lab. In this lesson, you will practice easy English listening about places in town. We will talk about locations and simple words like near and far. Please relax. Listen carefully. Hello, my name is Lisa. I live in a small town. The school is near my house. I walk to school every day. The hospital is far from my house. I go to the hospital by bus. The market is near the school. I go to the market on Sunday. Now, listen to the text one more time. Hello, my name is Lisa. I live in a small town. The school is near my house. I walk to school every day. The hospital is far from my house. I go to the hospital by bus. The market is near the school. I go to the market on Sunday. Now answer the questions. Question 1. Where is the school? A. Near Lisa's house. B. Far from Lisa's house. C. Near the hospital. Answer. A. Near Lisa's house. She says, "The school is near my house." Question 2. Where is the hospital? A. Near the market. B. Near the house. C. Far from the house. Answer. C. Far from the house. She says, "The hospital is far from my house." Question 3. Where is the market? A. Near the school. B. Far from the school. C. Near the hospital. Answer. A. Near the school. She says, "The market is near the school." Great job! You have finished this easy English listening lesson about places in town. Keep practicing and your listening will improve every day. See you in the next lesson.